So, you're interested in a summer youth employment program. We may have an answer for you. You may have received a link to this site. Take a look at the information. Check the list to see what organization you want to work with. Maybe write it down. When you're ready, click the words at the top of the page, Apply Online. Take a look at the information that's on this page, and then when you're ready to apply, just click the words Apply Now. Another window will pop open. You'll be asked a series of questions that you'll need to answer. We'll go through those next. Do you already have an Illinois workNet account? Probably not, so you'll want to say no. If you do, you'll need to know your username and password. When you click no, the application to get an Illinois workNet account will open up. All you have to do is fill out the information with the stars by it. Once you have everything filled out, you have to confirm that your passwords match. Once you have everything filled out, write down your username and password that you selected, because you'll need to use them in just another moment. Scroll to the bottom of the page, click the box that says Accept Agreement, and submit your application for your Illinois workNet account. You may be directed to this screen. If it doesn't come up right away, you can just be patient. You'll see this screen come up. Type in your username and password that you just wrote down. Once you have your username and password entered, click Sign In. It will take you back so that you can verify your information. Scroll down, check that everything is correct, enter the city for which the zip code, enter the city for the zip code that you entered, and then scroll to the bottom and click Save. Once you verify, you'll be redirected back to the application. Once you verify, you'll be directed back to the application. Read through the directions here, click the box that says I have read the terms of use and privacy policy, and then click the button that says Start your new application. Take a look at all the information and fill it out as it applies to you. Double check that your birth date is correct, and then answer the other questions. One of the questions that you'll have to answer is, are you currently in school when school is in session? That means that if school were happening right now, would you be in school? Since it's summer, you might not be, but will you be in the fall? What's your current in-school activity? And then, what are the challenges that you face? Read each one, check the ones that apply. Once you've checked everything, click Save and go to Next Page. Now you want to select a provider. Remember we said to write down the name of the agency that you want to work with? So you're going to scroll through the list and make sure that you pick the agency that sent you the information. Once you selected your agency, click Save and go to Next Page. Answer the next questions, and on this page it has some things where you can write in your goals. Take a moment, think about it, and write those goals in. Any of the questions with a red star need to be answered. Once you've finished a page, click Save and go to Next Page. These are some of the things that will possibly happen on your job, so you want to make sure that you answer all of these questions. Once you have everything answered, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save and go to Next Page. Some more questions that you need to answer include things about driver's license and background check. Answer those questions, and when you're done, continue to application. Double check your name and the information that you entered on your Illinois WorkNet application. Check and enter your Social Security number. If you need to find it, you can save and return, save and complete later. So it will give you a moment to find your Social Security number. It will want a phone number and what type of phone that is. Once you have that information entered, click Save and go to Next Page. Now we have some demographic information. Select your gender, military status, your ethnicity and race, primary language, secondary language, and when you're done, click Save and go to Next Page. What's your education? Do you have any credentials? When you're done, click Save and go to Next Page. Have you had a job? What's your current employment status? It will ask you if you have worked to enter the information about your previous jobs. When you're done, click Save and go to Next Page. Are you working with any of the service providers below? Maybe, maybe not. Click All that apply. How did you hear about the program? When you're done, click Save and go to Next Page. This is it. All you have to do now is review the information. If you need to make any changes, click on and edit this section. It will take you back to the application. Once you're done reviewing all of it, just click the button that says Submit Application. Look for this screen and hit Submit Application one more time, and you're done. Wait for a phone call from the agency that you selected. Thanks. Have a great rest of your day, and we look forward to working with you in the Summer Youth Employment Program. After your application is submitted, it will take you to your Illinois WorkNet dashboard. You can take a look around and see all the tools that are available to you for free. Have a great rest of your day, and we look forward to working with you.